Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna dive into some things with this wig, okay? We're gonna be right back. So welcome back, y'all. As y'all saw earlier, the struggle was real. I was this close to emailing Sensational and telling them I messed up their wig. But today's unit was sent to me by Sensational, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. It's from their 9 Clout Swiss Lace Wig collection with 100 premium fibers, HD, keep them guessing, 13x6 natural density, what lace illusion wig from their collection, and it's in the style SORAYA in the color 1B, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And this unit also comes in a bunch of specialty colors. It's a 13x6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand-tied knots, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, Perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline. Pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. So y'all, this unit was giving me like a run for my money, okay? Even though I ain't paid for it. But yes, it was giving me some trouble, okay? But I do like the unit. I feel like the curl pattern is very, very tight. This unit should already have a part in the space, because as you guys saw earlier when I tried to part it and separate it, it was giving me trouble. It was knotting, it was tangling, and you know, your girl was struggling over here. I don't like putting product on my units, especially when I first get them out the package. But yes, unfortunately, I had to on this side. I went in with some synthetic conditioning spray. The link is in the description box below. But just to, you know, give this unit back its life. I went in with some mousse as well, just to tame the side, because this is actually the side that I cut it on, because I, you know, did a side part. So it's a little thicker over here. We're going to just roll with the punches, okay? So this unit you could free part anywhere. The beautiful model has it parted on the side, which is, braided on the side, which I thought was really cute. I would have liked to try to accomplish, but I think in order to accomplish that, you're going to have to glue this unit down. And I don't want to glue down a synthetic wig, y'all. I got stuff to do today. So yeah, I like the middle part more. For some reason, the side part just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. But I will say this unit is big hair friendly. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It does have a nice amount of thickness, the density. This unit will tangle if you have to part it, so keep that in mind. The curl pattern is already set in place. So as far as like tangling, it's going to tangle. It's a curly unit. You guys, you'll just have to use synthetic wig hair care products to, you know, make it last longer. I do feel like the length is pretty good. It doesn't say how long this unit is on the packaging. But yeah, y'all, it's thick, it's not thin. You know, sometimes Sensational's units are a little thin, but lately they've been coming through, okay? I did go in with my blow dryer just to flatten it out a little bit and give it more of a realistic look. I went underneath with my Fenty foundation, the powder in the color 420, and then along the edges I went in with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, and then I went on top of it with my Fenty as well. And that was it, y'all. I just be leaving the baby hairs alone because I don't want to do nothing with it. I like it. This unit's cute. It's a lot of hair, but it's definitely giving like holiday wig. So if you have a holiday party coming up, or you ready for New Year's, you know, I think this wig is good to go. It's giving Diana Ross. It's giving pretty, you know, long and luscious, like it girl. What y'all think? The price for this unit is on a few different websites. The Google link is in the description box below, but it ranges between $45 to $53. So just keep that in mind. And yes, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.